Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Facebook on your laptop so you can open it just like a real desktop app. It's a simple method. It works on Windows laptops, and you don't need to download anything from outside, just your browser. Let's jump right in. First, open your internet browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or even Firefox, but Chrome and Edge give the best install option. I'll use Chrome for this example. Go to the top of your browser, click the address bar, and type facebook.com, then hit enter. When Facebook loads, log into your account if you haven't already. This part is important because the app will open directly into your account every time. Now that you're on Facebook, look at the top right corner of Google Chrome. You should see a small icon that looks like a computer screen with a downward arrow. This is the Install App button. Go ahead and click on it. A small window will pop up asking if you want to install Facebook. Click Install, and Chrome will instantly turn Facebook into a desktop app. If you're using Microsoft Edge, the steps are just as easy. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down to Apps, and choose Install this site as an app. Confirm the installation, and Edge will create the Facebook app for you. Once the installation finishes, you'll notice something new. Facebook opens in its own clean window, without all the browser tabs. You'll also get a shortcut placed in your Start menu and sometimes directly on your desktop depending on your browser settings. This means from now on, you can open Facebook with one click, just like any other app on your laptop. And here's a bonus tip. If you want the Facebook app to launch automatically when you turn on your computer, you can right-click the shortcut and place it in your Windows Startup folder. That's it. You now have Facebook installed on your laptop in the simplest way possible. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.